The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Jackson County in southern Mississippi until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Moss Point, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Moss Point around 10:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Helen around 10:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 69 and 76. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. If a tornado or other severe weather is spotted, report it to the National Weather Service or your local nearest law enforcement agency who will send your report. This act may save the lives of others in the